start and one stop. So we're going to have 2 end buckles. And I figure a splice buckle for every roll of fence, so we'll throw in 3 splice buckles. I need to figure my spoolers. I've got 1,448 feet, and I need a spooler every 330 feet, so I go 1,448 divided by 330, which equals about 5 spoolers for that stretch of fence. So I'll need 5 spoolers. To tighten the fence. I'm going to need, oh, that'll finish the 5 1/4 inch fence, and then I need to figure my coated wire. So my coated wire comes in a 1,320 foot roll. So I'll take 1,320 times the number of rails, which is 3 rails of the coated wire, which equals 3,960, excuse me, I take 1,448 times 3 rails divided by 1,320 feet, which equals 3.29, so I have to round it up to a full roll. So I'll need 4 rolls of coated wire, 1,320 feet, and for those 4 rolls I need staples, and I know that I have a total of 148 posts, so I take 148 posts times 3 rails, which equals 444 staples, and I know my staples come 43 to a pound, so I divide 43, which is, I'm going to need 11 pounds of staples. Now I also need to tighten the fence, so with the coated wire I need tensioners where I start and where I stop, and I can pull up to 1,320 feet. So in our example we're 1,448 feet, so I will cut this area in half and have 2 separate stretches of fence. So I'm going to start from here and I'll pull all the way around to this corner and stop, and then I'll start here and then pull all the way around the rest of it. So I'm going to have 2 separate stretches of fence, and I need a tensioner where I start and a tensioner where I stop. So I'm going to need 3 here and 3 here, which is 6, and 3 here and 3 here, which is another 6. So I'll need a total of 12 tensioners. I've got 4 rolls. I figure a splice per roll, so I figure 4 splices or wire links. And then my coated wire fence is done. Now I need to figure the electric wire. It also comes in 1,320 foot rolls. So I've got 1,400, actually need 2 1,320 foot rolls of the electric. And with the electric, I'm going to need a tensioner where I start and where I stop. And so I'll have, I'm only doing 1 rail